Fantastic Beasts by J.K. Rowling, set in the wizarding world, Magizoologist New Scamander travels to New York, where magical creatures came from his suitcase, threatening the city and exposing wizarding secrets. The Fantastic Beasts series, set in J.K. Rowling's, explores moral and philosophical themes like identity, prejudice, and power dynamics. It challenges societal prejudice and societal discrimination, highlighting the ethical implication of power dynamics and freedom versus control. The film reveals important lessons about empathy, freedom, fear, and oppression. The film's themes of control versus freedom reflect real-life situations or issues with authoritarianism, emphasizing the need to balance safety with individual rights. Fantastic Beasts encourages us to practice empathy, promote mental well-being, and show compassion to those who feel isolated.